This is the vending machine, first created and patented in 1867 by Simon Denham. But the first modern vending machine was made by Percival Everett. It originally dispensed postcards. Cool, right?
Damn, I'm hungry. Oh. I wonder what there is today. There's no food? Need food. Need food. Need food. Oh no, this one has food.
The vending machine takes multiple forms of payment. Apple Pay, coins, cash, whatever you need, the vending machine will fulfill your need. Although the students love the vending machine, teachers are not very fond of the vending machine. We are told to stay inside of class and we're not allowed to go out to get a snack, which is necessary for our brain power. The vending machine has also been recently restocked with healthier options, quote unquote, which do not taste any better. Because of these new snacks, students have not been able to work in class properly, sleeping during class. Can you believe it?